The AZDOME M300S 4K Dual Dashcam offers exceptional video quality with its 4K resolution for the front camera and full high-definition 1080p for the rear camera, ensuring clear capture of details like license plates and road signs. With built-in 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, users can easily view live footage in real time through the AZDOME app, providing convenience and accessibility. The integrated GPS feature accurately records your vehicle's route and driving speed, making it easy to review your journey using the AZDOME GPS Player. Included with the dashcam is a free 64GB micro SD card, saving you the hassle and expense of purchasing additional storage. The voice control functionality enhances safety by allowing you to operate the dashcam hands-free with simple voice commands like take picture or lock the video. Featuring a 170-degree wide-angle lens and superior night vision with an f1.8 aperture, the dashcam captures comprehensive road conditions and clear footage even in low-light scenarios.